Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. I use deep breaths to calm my body and my mind whenever I need to. With a calm mind, I usually find ideas and inspiration with ease. Painting is a super fun way to make art, but there are a lot of steps to paint kindly and safely. First, I need to remember to wear my art smock to keep my clothes safe and clean. Next, I need to remember to set out a sheet of newspaper to keep my table area safe and clean. We use watercolor sets to paint in our art studio, so I need to remember a cup of water, a paintbrush, and a tray of paint. When all of my materials are ready, I can begin my art making. There is much to set up before you begin painting, and that's why I remember to use my breath to stay calm and focused. I usually like to begin with a pencil sketch, so I have an idea of what I am painting on the paper. Then I can add color by wetting the brush in the water cup, mixing it with the paint, and coloring on the paper. Whenever I want to paint a light value of color, I keep more water on the brush. And whenever I want to paint a dark value of color, I keep less water on the brush. There are times when my mind and my body become tired from the work of painting, so I take small breaks to breathe, stretch, and move. Sometimes I just use water without any new paint to spread the color around on the paper. When I'm finished painting, I walk my art to the drying rack, hold it in both hands, and I make sure not to set my painting on anyone else's art. And if I fill the shelf, I put a new shelf down. I make sure that I put everything back where I found it. Better than I found it. If my newspaper is not too wet, I can return it where I found it for the next lucky painter. before I do anything else, I wash my hands and clear them of any paint. If I have any extra studio time, I can wind down with a coloring sheet, a nice piece of scrap paper, or a good book. The next day, I empty the learners' paintings off the drying rack and I store them in their class folders. When they return to the art studio, they can find their paintings and use their drawing tools to add final details. I stay engaged with my plan and persist when it gets tough. I take care of my supplies by using them correctly. And I trust that art making is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing at this moment. Painting is a super fun way to make art, but there are a lot of steps to paint kindly and safely. Stay present and mindful, and you'll have a good time regardless of how your painting turns out. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!